What if I told you? Apple is preparing devices that could make smartphones less important in the future. Because Apple is now heavily focusing on AI wearables, and two upcoming products are creating massive hype. Apple's Smart Glasses and AirPods Pro 3. Reports suggest Apple is pushing hard into AI-powered wearable devices. Let's start with Apple's smart glasses. According to leaks, Apple's first smart glasses may work as an iPhone companion, rather than a full augmented reality headset. And here's the crazy part. The first version may not even include a display. Instead, Apple is reportedly focusing on AI features and real-world awareness. Expected features include built-in cameras, microphones, Siri integration, and real-time translation. Navigation directions, photo and video capture, and AI object recognition. Leaks suggest Apple is testing multiple frame styles and premium materials to make the glasses feel more like fashion products. Some reports also mention gesture controls using cameras to recognize hand movement. Current rumors point toward a late 2026 announcement and a possible 2027 release. Now imagine asking your glasses, "What building is this?" Translate this sign. Take a picture. And AI instantly responds. Now let's talk about AirPods Pro 3. AirPods Pro 3 are reportedly getting some of Apple's biggest upgrades in years. Expected upgrades include stronger active noise cancellation, better sound quality, and longer battery life, better fit, heart rate tracking during workouts, and smarter Siri interaction. Some reports even suggest Apple is experimenting with future AirPods that use cameras or infrared sensors to help Siri understand your surroundings. The expected price for AirPods Pro 3 is around $249 USD, and online discussions suggest demand has been extremely strong. So now the question is, are Apple smart glasses and AirPods becoming the future of AI? Or is Apple slowly building a world where we won't even need smartphones anymore? Share your opinion in the comment section. Stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe.